go to the next step because we don't have the problem to apply the power into this PCB. However, you can see I have two connectors in here. One side is a 34 connect, and the other side is 96 connect in here. Okay, as I told you, if you want to scan all of the channel, you need to have enough the VI channel for testing. So in this in today, I'm not going to do here. I'm going to do it in here. So I just connect you here. Okay, so I will go to Start and save the power data, save, and create another one, and use a matrix VI, and clear the data, and 32, yes, okay, and store. Okay, just give me a while. Okay, so why I choose the matrix VI for testing here? Because I'm not sure about how many grounding or power in here. So for me, the easy way will be connecting here and scan all of that. That's easy for me. So I just save, stop, and save the test result into the test floor again in the step 11. So if I have another one, or I can send the data to my customer who have this PCB. So you can imagine that if he send me this one, no matter it's good or fail, I save the data, I send it back to him. And if he have the same instrument like me, he can compare in local. Okay, so that's another thing. You can share the data between the repair engineer to the repair company.